Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au with your weekly Wednesday special. We have today for you, very tastefully arranged, if I do say so myself, Ainslie 1 kilo cast silver bars. Do you have 1 kilo silver bars as part of your stack? If you're a silver stacker, kind of assume you do. It's very much a staple. But if you're looking to get some more, or if you don't have any in your stack, this is going to be the special for you, I imagine. What I'll quickly do is just show you the bar up close, and then I'll tell you what the discount is for the next 24 hours from the upload time of this video. So it depends really when you see the video, how long you have left. So the Ainslie Bullion logo at the top, they are so shiny that you're seeing my reflection in the background right there. And the denomination of 1 kilo fine silver, 9995 plus silver. And I'm wearing a glove. I hope you're happy about that because I don't want to get my dirty fingerprints on these beautifully finished, really ultra shiny kilo silver bars. So let's talk about the discount again for the next 24 hours. And so at some time tomorrow, being Thursday, around sort of your midday-ish kind of time, depending on when this is uploaded, they will be back at the normal price. But here's the ainslieBullion.com.au website. I will put a link to the individual product page below in the info section of the YouTube page and as part of the pinned comment. But just wanted to show you right here. These are priced as they are right now without the discount. 1 kilo Ainslie silver bullion. And this is the current price before the discount. So what you'll see here is there's 3 tiers. So you have the top tier there. Now that's the individual price. That's if you're purchasing between 1 and 49. And of course there you've got the middle line, you've got the times 50 or buying between 50 to say 99. That's your next little bulk discount right there. And the one below is the big bulk discount for buying 100 or more. So for the next 24 hours, we're offering them not at the top tier, obviously not the second one, but for the 100 plus price. It doesn't matter how many you buy 1, buy 100, they are all priced at the plus 100 or more price. So you'll see the price a little bit different when you see this video. Again, for the next 24 hours from the upload time of this video. That's it. That's all you need to do. Well, all you need to do now is head over to the website in enough time. Hopefully you're seeing this before the special is gone. If you're watching this after the fact, that's okay. So because we do every single week a special on something different. Next week might be gold, you never know. So let's find out. But also, you might want to share this around with your friends or your family or anyone else you think who may be interested in getting kilo silver bars at a special discount. So you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and as always, thanks for choosing Ainslie.